Google Colab tool in artificial intelligence. AI beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence and machine learning development often require powerful computing resources, such as GPUs and large memory. However, installing complex tools and configuring environments can be difficult for beginners. To solve this problem, Google provides a cloud-based tool called Google Colab. Google Colab allows developers to write and run Python code directly in the browser without installing software. It is widely used for machine learning experiments, deep learning training, data science projects, AI research, educational tutorials. Google Colab makes it easy for beginners to build and test AI models using cloud computing. Resources. What is Google Colab? Google Colab, Google Colaboratory, is a cloud-based interactive notebook environment that allows users to write and execute Python code in a web browser. In simple words, Google Colab equals a cloud version of Jupyter Notebook with free computing power. Example concept: code plus data plus cloud computing means Google Colab. Colab notebooks allow developers to combine code, documentation, visualizations, machine learning experiments in one place. Why Google Colab is popular? Google Colab has become very popular among AI developers and students. Key advantages include no software installation required, free access to GPUs and TPUs, cloud-based environment, easy sharing and collaboration, integration with Google Drive. Example concept: browser means Google Colab means AI development. These features make Colab an excellent platform for learning AI and machine learning. How Google Colab works. Google Colab works similarly to Jupyter Notebook but runs on Google's cloud servers. Users access it through a web browser. Example concept: user means browser means Google Colab server means code execution. The code runs on remote machines rather than on the user's computer. This allows access to powerful computing resources. Notebook structure in Google Colab. Google Colab notebooks are organized into cells. Similar to Jupyter Notebook, cells can contain code, text explanations, visualizations, images. Example concept: notebook means multiple cells means interactive coding. Each cell can be executed independently. Code cells. Code cells allow developers to write and run Python programs. Example: print hello AI. When executed, the output appears immediately below the cell. This makes experimentation easy. Markdown cells. Markdown cells allow developers to write formatted documentation. Markdown supports headings, lists, links, images, mathematical formulas. Example concept: Markdown means explanation plus documentation. This makes notebooks easy to understand and share. Free GPU and TPU support. One of the biggest advantages of Google Colab is access to free GPUs and TPUs. These hardware accelerators speed up machine learning and deep learning computations. Example concept: deep learning model means GPU acceleration means faster training. This is especially useful for neural networks, computer vision models, natural language processing systems. Integration with Google Drive. Google Colab integrates directly with Google Drive. Users can store notebooks, load datasets, save trained models. Example concept: Google Drive left-right arrow Google Colab. This allows easy storage and collaboration. Using machine learning libraries. Google Colab supports many popular AI libraries. Examples include NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Matplotlib. Example concept: dataset means ML libraries means model training in Colab. Most libraries are already installed in Colab environments. Typical ML workflow in Google Colab. A typical machine learning workflow in Colab looks like this. Load dataset, down pointing arrow. Explore data, down pointing arrow. Pre-process data, down pointing arrow. Train model, down pointing arrow. Evaluate model, down pointing arrow. Visualize results. Developers can perform each step interactively. Running Google Colab. Google Colab can be accessed through a web browser. Typical steps. Open browser means colab.research.google.com means create notebook. No installation is required. This makes Colab accessible from almost any device. Example Python code. Example importing libraries. Import pandas as PD. Example loading dataset. Data equals PD. Read underscore CSV. Data.csv. Example training model. From sklearn. Linear underscore model import linear regression. These commands can be executed directly in the notebook. Advantages of Google Colab. Google Colab provides several advantages. These include free GPU access, cloud-based environment, no setup required, easy collaboration, integration with AI libraries. Example concept. Cloud computing means powerful AI experimentation. These advantages make Colab ideal for learning and experimenting with AI. Limitations of Google Colab. Although powerful, Google Colab has some limitations. These include session time limits, temporary runtime environments, limited computing resources compared to paid cloud platforms. Example concept. Free cloud resources means session limitations. For large production systems, developers often use dedicated cloud servers. Real-world applications. Google Colab is widely used across industries. Education. Teaching machine learning and data science. Research. Running AI experiments and training models. Data science. Analyzing datasets and building predictive models. Deep learning. Training neural networks using GPUs. Prototyping. Testing machine learning ideas quickly. Concepts learned from Google Colab. Understanding Google Colab helps beginners learn. Checkmark how to run AI code in the cloud. Checkmark how machine learning experiments are performed. Checkmark how GPUs accelerate deep learning models. Checkmark how notebooks support interactive data analysis. Checkmark how AI workflows are built step by step. Google Colab is one of the best platforms for beginners learning AI and machine learning. Simple definition. Google Colab. A cloud-based interactive notebook environment that allows users to run Python code, build machine learning models, and analyze data using Google's computing resources. Final summary. Google Colab is a powerful cloud-based tool used for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science development. It provides an interactive notebook environment similar to Jupyter Notebook but runs on Google's cloud infrastructure, with free access to GPUs, built-in machine learning libraries, and easy collaboration through Google Drive. Colab enables developers and students to experiment with AI models without complex setup. Understanding Google Colab is an important step for beginners learning AI development and machine learning workflows.